Hello dear ladies and gentlemen, Crypto Marco here, and today marks a special day because on the 24th of October I released my first video on YouTube. So since then on the German channel I have like 15,000 subscribers, and on this channel, the English one, 6,000. So just wanted to thank you very much and show a lot of appreciation for every single comment, every single like, every single subscriber. Really appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you so much for making all of this possible. Would have never expected this growth, and let's just continue the next 6 months with great videos, I hope. And as always, so if you enjoy the content, make sure to leave it a thumbs up and comment down below, because among everybody who's commenting, I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoin on a weekly basis. So as you can see today, I don't start off with CoinMarketCap, rather with CoinCheckup, simply because just to illustrate you guys, I think you can see it a little bit better on CoinCheckup than you can on CoinMarketCap, how much the market has grown. So this is a picture that we have seen the last time, maybe in like, I don't know, fall or winter of last year, maybe beginning of January. So really glad to see this happening again. Many expect that the next bull run is about to happen, and we have this theory that since the last bull run, many people have opened their accounts at Coinbase, GDX, Kraken, whatever, have deposited some fiat money. The wallets are open and they are waiting to get their FOMO triggered to cause another bull run, similarly to the one we have seen last year. I mean, similarly to the one we have seen a few months ago. And well, of course, it would be great for our block folios to increase like super hell every day. I would rather prefer a more controlled bull run, which is like not as extreme as well last year, but I'm in it for the long run, and I want cryptocurrencies to be doing good in the long run. So that's why I am not really a extreme bull, but like slow and steady wins the race, in my opinion. As you can see, as I told you guys last time, pretty much my assumption that history repeats itself with Bitcoin got confirmed for the third time, as you can see. So every time we saw the dominance of Bitcoin go down, we have seen a great time to buy altcoins. That's just what is happening right now, and market cap is also looking good. So we are far above the 400 billion right now. We are at 427 billion, a digit we have seen the last time. When was that last time? At the beginning of March, so almost 2 months ago. And that of course makes us all really happy, but we're looking at what? We are looking at Bitcoin, of course. Now Bitcoin has done something really interesting. If you take a look at the one-day chart, you'll see that, oh dear, now was that an interesting thing? So from $8,900, Bitcoin jumped all the way up to 9,200, depending on where you were watching it. Despite not really, despite really there not being any interesting news, but and of course people are asking themselves, where did this come from? And man, I mean, this is just it was pretty much unavoidable that Bitcoin, after all of this bashing and after all of this FUD, that we are really bound to go up, because Bitcoin has somewhat found a really definite resistance at about 6,800, 6,900, and from then on we have went down. We weren't any further down, and pretty much from then on things can only go up, right? So that was highly anticipated, highly welcome, and of course the fundamental stuff is also looking good. Fees are down, transaction times are really fast, and also what is also adding fuel to the fire, in my opinion, is a so-called short squeeze. If you're not familiar with that, definitely look it up, what a short squeeze is in detail. Basically, it's a case that happens when a lot of people have shorted, and then the price still goes up, and then you see the price explode, because then all of the short positions have to some kind be they just want to avoid further losses, and that's why the price is going up really fast. So in my opinion, in a environment of a good bull market environment has been caused in this at this particular time, and that's why we have seen such a big rush from 8,900. So, you know, there are a lot of short orders being placed before 9,000. So many people were speculating that if we break through 9,000, we are gonna break through really heavily, and that is pretty much exactly what happened. Now, what people are also looking at is Bitcoin Cash. Now, what has been going on with Bitcoin Cash? Basically, Bitcoin Cash in the last 7 days, 90% for Bitcoin Cash. Depending on when you're looking at, you might even see 100%. So really crazy what's going on with Bitcoin Cash. Basically, there's a hard fork going on with Bitcoin Cash. The block size is going to get optimized. So many people are speculating that Bitcoin Cash is going to get a lot more expensive. But in any case, as you can see, this pump is something that, in my opinion, can't be permanently. So if you are looking for a nice short position, then Bitcoin Cash might just be the thing for you. Basically, right now we are looking for the trend to go down again, for a little trend reversal. And if Bitcoin Cash goes down, in my opinion, we'll see at least 10%. And that's really on the cautious side of things. And when Bitcoin Cash goes down, we have often seen a kind of correlation, a negative correlation. So when Bitcoin Cash goes up, Bitcoin goes down. When Bitcoin goes down, Bitcoin Cash goes up. Right now, both of them are going up. But I kind of assume that we will see a scenario where Bitcoin Cash will go down and Bitcoin will go up, in my humble opinion. But keep in mind that everything in this video is my personal opinion and not financial advice. The good man Bill Burrage said that by May we will have a Bitcoin of 11,500, somewhere between 11,500 and 11,800. And if this goes on like that, I could definitely see Bitcoin at that price point. But in my opinion, you know, we have to be really cautious. But at the end of the day, you know, guys, what was I about to say? Oh my God. But at the end of the day, guys, I'm sorry, it's really hot in my room. But in the end of the day, guys, you know that I'm somebody who's looking for a slow and steady race rather than too fast. Bill Burrage is a good guy, definitely somebody with a lot of experience, so go check him out. And the last interesting news item for today, Goldman Sachs has hired a crypto trader. Basically, the job of a bank's trading desks is to help their clients trade the financial stuff that they want to trade. Matt Lewine wrote last week, if the sorts of customers who are banks customers want to trade a thing, then that thing becomes a financial thing, and so the banks had better starts helping them trade it. And it's really interesting to see that Goldman Sachs is doing this, because initially they said that Bitcoin is bullshit, we don't want to have anything to do with this, it's far too volatile. And now all of a sudden they are employing somebody who's trading cryptocurrencies. Like, come on, Goldman Sachs, who are trying to shit here. So basically, guys, not really spectacular news in today's video. Unfortunately, there was not a lot of stuff going on. Since today is the 6 months anniversary of my channel, I wanted to do a top 5 coins for May video. But since I thought that today is going to be more interesting to talk about the Bitcoin price, I didn't make that video, so you can expect that tomorrow. In any case, you really have to know that everything I say, in my opinion, is my personal opinion and not financial advice. So take everything that I say with great caution and be really responsible when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. You should not invest rent money, you should not invest food money on cryptocurrencies, and be really responsible when it comes to that. So please take that into consideration, and keep in mind that in every video I pick a winner, and then at the end of the week we will do a raffle where the winner will win a small amount of Litecoin. So if you want to participate, all you have to do is to comment down below. You can do that via you know, leave a question, leave some feedback, a nice comment, maybe even a negative comment, whatever. I'm really open to constructive criticism and whatnot. So guys, these are pretty much all you have to do. Like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, share the video with friends and families if they are interested in cryptocurrencies, and thank you so much for watching. So if you have a question, leave it in the comment section down below, and thank you so much for the attention, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.